In 79 days until Atlanta hosts Super Bowl 53, but those preparations, they have been well underway for months. Today, the Super Bowl committee, along with the Atlanta Fire, APD, and the Emergency Management Agency and several other groups, held a tabletop training exercise to make sure that they are ready and set to go. Never too soon to start thinking about Super Bowl safety. In Minneapolis, it was ever present.